Hey guys, today I'm telling about quotation for garden. Beautiful quotes you can put for garden. The first one is the many great gardens of the world, of literature and poetry, of painting and music, of religion and architecture, all make the point as clear as possible. The soul cannot thrive in the absence of a garden. If you don't want paradise, you are not human. And if you are not human, you don't have a soul. Beautiful quotation. A society grows great when old men plant trees whose shade they know they shall never sit in. The love of gardening is a seed once sown that never dies. All gardeners know better than other gardeners. Beautiful proverb. My garden is my most beautiful masterpiece. Look at this picture. This is so beautiful. Masterpiece. Beautiful color of natures. Each and everything is perfect. In joy or sadness, flowers are our constant friends. A flower blooms for its own joy. A weed is but an unsolved flowers. Almost every person from childhood has been touched by the untamed beauty of wildflowers. Beautiful, beautiful pictures of flower. Wow, most beautiful pictures of garden. Look at these pictures. These are so beautiful. What a lovely thing a rose is. What a lovely thing the rose is. The earth laughs in flowers. Weeds are flower too once you get to know them. Beautiful pictures of garden. Most beautiful pictures. Look at these combination of colors. Beautiful.